you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a Amazon wig review. It's the AISI Queen's short afro curly wig. I paid like $26 for it, and this is what the package looks like when you get it. If you're new to my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle videos. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, welcome back to another video. Make sure you watch till the end of the video. See the ending results and my thoughts and how I feel about this. So right now I'm taking out the wig out the package, and yep, this is what it looks like when you take it out. It has like a little cushion cotton paper thing, and the wig is by AISI Queens, like I said, and it comes with a cap. It's black, like a black cap, and like when you take out the wig, it like has like a stocking cap on it, a net on it, and then yeah. And now I'm finna put up the cap, and yeah, ignore my hair, by the way, it's in twisties, so. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It got two combs in the front and like right where my finger's at, and there's no combs in the back, and it comes with the adjustable straps so you can make it tighter or looser. And yep, the color is like a brown mix with blonde. Like at the end you can see that's blonde, so yeah. But let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear you guys' opinions. So yeah, let me know. So I'm gonna use these scissors and try to cut the bangs a little bit, but these weak scissors wasn't working, so I just left it alone for a minute. This is what the wig looks like. I like it. It's pretty different than what I usually wear, and it's okay to try something different. Color is like a blonde mix with brown, so it kind of looks dark. When I first put it on, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this, because like I kind of look weird and different, but it's something different, so I'm gonna have to get used to it. But yeah, I pretty like it so far, kind of, but I'm gonna have to get used to it. Bruh. I tried to cut the bangs a little bit because it's kind of long, and I don't really like when bangs are like too long, so I tried to cut it, but the scissors that I was using wasn't working, so I'll try to do it another time. But I don't think the makeup look that I did goes well with this wig, but because like when I put it on, I was like, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna just have to play around with it and get it to my liking. So I don't know if I will wear this daily or in every single of my videos, but I might and I might not, but I don't know. Maybe. I think it doesn't look good on me, but it's a nice wig and it's pretty, and the curls, like the curls on the wig is nice and curly. The hair is really soft and shiny. Part like around like where the bangs at is kind of thick, But yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool and different. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, check out my hair videos playlist. It's a whole bunch of natural hair tutorials and wig tutorials, and they enjoy watching videos like this. Leave a like down below and leave a comment and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.